how to break free from limiting beliefs and transform your life. Life is greatly influenced by the promises and beliefs we hold, both about ourselves and about others. Many of these beliefs are formed without us realizing it, through our upbringing and the society we grow up in. Some of them can lead to fear, self-doubt, and unnecessary pain, trapping us in habits that stop us from reaching our full potential. But by choosing new positive beliefs based on truth and love, we can take back our freedom and live a life that feels real and joyful. These new principles give us simple ways to break free from the limits we place on ourselves and build a mindset that lifts us instead of holding us down. The path to true freedom begins with understanding the power of our words, thoughts, and actions. When we speak with honesty and kindness, stop taking things personally, avoid guessing what others mean, and always try our best, we begin to let go of the false beliefs that keep us stuck. By replacing fear-based thinking with positive and empowering beliefs, we change not only how we see ourselves, but also how we relate to the world. This shift opens the way to a better life, one filled with peace, strength, and the freedom to live in line with what truly matters to us. Let's dive in. 1. Be impeccable with your word. Your words are powerful. They can build people up or tear them down. Speaking with honesty and kindness means choosing words that show love and truth, not fear, anger, or self-criticism. Every time you use kind and positive words, you plant seeds of hope in your own heart and in the hearts of others. When you speak with gratitude and encouragement, you create an atmosphere where love and peace can grow. Being careful with your words also means not speaking badly about yourself. When you stop judging or insulting yourself, you take responsibility for your life without feeling shame. Using truthful and loving words helps you live with peace, self-respect, and stronger relationships. Over time, this changes how you see yourself and how you relate to the world. 2. Don't take anything personally. What people say and do often shows their fears, beliefs, and experiences. It is rarely about you. When you stop taking things personally, you free yourself from the hurt that comes from others' opinions or actions. Insults and gossip lose their power because you no longer let them decide your worth. Taking things personally is one of the easiest ways to suffer. When you let go of the need for everyone's approval, you gain freedom and inner strength. As you start trusting yourself more, you make better choices and no longer live under the control of other people's moods or criticism. 3. Don't make assumptions. Many conflicts and disappointments happen because we assume we know what others think or expect. Instead of guessing, we should ask questions and express our needs clearly. Honest communication helps us build better and healthier relationships. Assumptions can also affect how we see ourselves. We may think too highly or too poorly of our abilities because we don't question our beliefs. By seeking clarity, both with others and with ourselves, we avoid unnecessary drama and create more peace and understanding. 4. Always do your best. Your best effort may change from day to day depending on how you feel or what you're going through, and that's okay. Doing your best means giving your full effort in the present moment without trying to overwork or impress others. It helps you act out of love, not fear or pressure. When you focus on doing your best, you stop blaming yourself or feeling guilty. What you do becomes more meaningful because you are living fully, not just chasing rewards. Over time, this habit helps you grow, become stronger, and transform your life. 5. Break old agreements and claim freedom. We all follow many unspoken rules and beliefs that we learned from childhood and society. Some of these beliefs limit us and cause pain. The first step to freedom is to notice and break these harmful beliefs. Each time you replace a fear-based belief with one based on love, you take back your power. The more you break these old agreements, the stronger you become, until you are free to create a life that is real, joyful, and true to who you are. 6. Create a new dream. Life is not meant to be full of pain and self-criticism. By living with new and positive agreements, you can create a new dream life filled with peace, happiness, and love. This new life comes from changing within, not from outside circumstances. Even when you fail, you have the chance to try again with new strength. As you keep practicing love, gratitude, authenticity, fear, and self-doubt lose their hold, your life slowly becomes the joyful and free life you were always meant to live. 7. The path to personal freedom. Finding personal freedom is a lifelong journey of courage and self-awareness. These agreements are powerful tools that help you take back the energy you waste on fear, guilt, and shame. Each time you practice them, you grow stronger and get closer to the life you truly want. The greatest reward of living this way is a life filled with love, truth, and inner peace. You become stronger against negativity, more confident in yourself, and able to enjoy life deeply. True freedom isn't about changing the world. It's about changing how you experience it and living fully in the present. True freedom and happiness come when we choose to live with honesty, love, and self-awareness. By being careful with our words, not taking things personally, avoiding assumptions, and always giving our best, we slowly break free from the false beliefs that limit us. As we replace fear and self-doubt with truth and gratitude, we begin to see positive changes in ourselves and our relationships with others. This journey is not about being perfect, but about growing each day and making choices that bring peace and joy. When we let go of old, harmful beliefs and create new ones rooted in love, we reclaim our power and live more fully. Over time, these small but powerful steps lead to a life of freedom, confidence, and true inner happiness. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more timeless insight.